sabihin ninyo sa amo ninyo na hanggat hindi aktwal na nae-embargong asyendang ito, wala kayong karapatang manghimasok dito.
Sorry.
Bakit hindi ka lumapit kina Amanda?
Hindi kaya nakakahiya?
Sa akin, hindi. Anyway, matalik nyo naman kaibigan na mag-asawa. At isa pa, si Alejandro yata ang malaking naitulong sa negosyo nila, kaya sila yumaman ng ganyan.
Sa bagay, hindi naman ako manghihingi sa kanila. Parang ililipat lang ang pagkakasangla sa kanila ng asyenda. O, dumating na ba si Christine?
Kanina pa ho. Maaga daw ho silang dinismiss dahil last day of classes nila ngayon.
Eh, nasaan siya?
Nasa likod ho, kasama si Bubbles.
Isabel, hindi dapat malaman ni Christine na may mabigat kang problema. Alam mo naman yung anak mong yan. She's a very intelligent and perceptive person.
Yeah, I know. Madalas nga yan, napapansin ko. Kapag may nararamdaman ako, para bang nararamdaman din ng batang yon?
Correction, please. Hindi na bata yung anak mong yan. She might only be 16, pero matured ang isip.
Bubbles, come! What? Baby? Come, we'll play. Play with me, oh. Bubbles, look. Bubbles, look. Bubbles. Ayaw maniwala sa magic ko eh. O sige na lang. Roll over na lang, Bubbles. Roll over, Bubbles, roll over.
Christine!
Ay, nako. Get na lang the ball, Bubbles. Oh, Bubbles, get the ball. Ay, sus, wala kang kakuswe-konsuelo sa asong to.
Christine!
Yes, Ma? Hi, Ma.
Hi.
Hi, Tita.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Ma, I've no classes now. What do we do by this summer?
Well...
Ma, you have a drink first. You're tired, no?
Well... Where do you want to go this time?
Ma, we went to the States and to
Hmm.
Europe, di ba? We've been there na eh. Let's go naman to Egypt this time.
Egypt?
Ma, you wipe first,
At bakit naman biglang pumasok sa isip mo yung Egypt?
Eh, Mommy, kasi everyone's talking about pyramids nowadays eh. So I want to see the pyramids.
Pyramids?
Mm-mm.
Pyramids, ha?
Mm-mm.
Ay, naku, Iha. Mag-toning ka na lang.
Ay, mas magaling yan. Diyan natanggal ang rayuma ko. Pero sumakit naman ang ulo ko.
Eh, paano ba naman di sasakit ang ulo mo, tita? Eh, gabi-gabi pinagpupuyatan mo yung toning na yan.
Yun nga lang.
It's been rough sailing in the Sugar Central ever since Alejandro died. I was advised to inject additional capital. Kaya sinangla ko ang asyenda for 50 million. Pero hindi pa rin makabangon eh.
Marami siguro nagte-take advantage kasi alam nilang hindi mo kabisado ang pasikot-sikot ng sentral.
Yeah. Most probably.
But if you have some reservations about Emilio because of the past, why'd you borrow from his bank?
Well, you see, I made that loan long before Emilio's group of companies took over the bank. Siguro nga, ang tuwa ni Emilio nang malaman niyang malaki ang pagkakautang ko sa kanya.
You know, Dave and I had been close to Emilio's family Especially before his wife died in a plane crash. Anyway, kakausapin ko si Dave tungkol sa problema mo. Alam mo naman, the amount involved is rather stiff. We'll see what we can do.
Thanks.